To install the In-Box Solvent Dryer, begin by loading the In-Box Solvent Dryer and its associated components into the antechamber. Evacuate and refill the antechamber 3 to 5 times to ensure an oxygen and moisture-free transfer. Remove the lower shelf. The lower shelf brackets should be raised at least 13 inches above the bottom of the box. Open the antechamber door and install the motor drive shelf assembly. Connect the power supply barrel connector to the motor drive power jack. Connect the power supply transformer to the J-box outlet. Attach the purifying column to the motor drive clips. Turn the run jog switch to run. And that is how you install the In-Box Solvent Dryer.